So I've just bought this Mossberg night train. It's a 308 bolt action rifle. Very nice, very nice. And also a Mossberg 500 pump action 12 gauge shotgun. I've already done a little bit of damage to some cans. Just see what I could do. There's the shotgun. That one was just kind of just for fun. And this was one shot with the 308. And now I've done zero sighting with this rifle. It's from maybe, I don't know, 30 feet. And there's a can, you can kind of just see it on that there fence post right there. So we're already locked and loaded and ready to go. So here we go. Safety's off. Aiming. And that was kind of fun. Let's go check it out. Safety first. I was aiming for the bottom because it was only about halfway filled. And that's about what happened to it. Bam.